Hi children, this is Swarnadeepa. In this video, we are going to learn exercise 3.1. Okay, so the first question, fill in the blanks. The exponential form of this should be read as. So how we should read this number? 14 power 9. Okay, simply we can read this as 14 power 9. Okay, otherwise 14 to the power 9. Okay, next one, the expanded form of p cube, q square is expanded form. So p cube means p into p into p. P power 3 means p into p into p into q power 2 means q into q. So this is the expanded form of p power 3 q power 2. When base is 12 and exponent is 17, its exponential form is base means we have to write it down. Exponent means that is power 12 power 17. Okay. Fourth one, the value of 14 into 21 to the power 0 is. Already I told you one fact that any number to the power 0 is always 1. So here 14 into 21 to the power 0 is 1. So keep it in mind. Anything to the power 0 is 1. The second problem, say true or false. Here they have given 5 options. We have to check whether the given equation or given expression is correct or not, right? So now 2 power 3 into 3 power 2 is equal to 6 power 3 they have written. So I am going to find out the left hand side first. So 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this is 8 into, right? So 3 power 2 means 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9. So what is 8 into 9? 8 9s are 72. Here right hand side 6 power 3. 6 power 3 means 6 into 6 into 6. So 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6. So 216. But here we have left hand side we have 72 and right hand side we have 216. So it is not equal. So we can say this answer as false. Okay, next one. 2 power 9 into 3 power 2 is equal to 2 into 3 to the power 9 into 2. But we have the rule that if both the base are same, otherwise the power should be same. Here the base are not same as well as the powers are also not same. So we can't use any rule here. Okay, so this is also false. So third one, 3 power 4 into 3 power 7. Here after seeing this two exponents, we can say that the bases are same. So both the bases are same means we can add the power. So 3 power 4 plus 7. So 3 power 4 plus 7 is 3 power 11. So this is correct. So we can write the answer as true. The fourth one, 2 power 0, 1000 power 0. Already I told you anything to the power 0 is 1. Here also 1000 to the power 0 is 1. So both are equal. We can write the answer as true. So see the last one. We have 2 power 3 and we have 3 power 2. We should not write the symbol according to the base. We should find out the value of that exponent and then only we can say which one is greater. So shall we find out? So 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 here. So 3 power 2 means 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9. So this one is greater. So here the answer is true. Third question, find the value of the following. Okay, I am going to do the second option and fourth option. Second option is 11 power 2. So 11 power 2 is nothing but 11 into 11. Okay, so 11 into 11. So the answer is 121. Here 9 power 3. So 9 into 9 into 9. So 9 nines are 81. 81 into 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 eights are 72. So 729 is your answer. Fourth problem. Express the following in exponential form. So we have to write this in exponential form. Exponential form is power form. Here we have 4, 6. So how we can write this? We can write this as 6 to the power 4. Very easy one. So here 2 into 2 into a into a. Here we have two different numbers. That is 2 as one number and a as another one number. So 2 2's and 2 a's. So we can write this as 2 power 2 into a power 2. That is your answer. Fifth problem. Express each of the following numbers using exponential form. Here the number is given as 512 and a second option 343. 512 is an even number, so I am going to use 2 table here. So 2 table, 2 2's are 4, okay, 1 balance, 5 2's are 10, again 1 balance, 6 2's are 12, okay. So next I am going to use 2, so 1 2's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 1 balance, so 8 2's are 16. So again 2, 6 2's are 12 and 4 2's are 8, 2, 3 2's are 6, 2 2's are 4. So 2, 1 2's are 2, 1 balance, 6 2's are 12. Again 2, 8 2's are 16. Again 2, 4 2's are, again 2, I can write 2. Okay, how many 2's I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many 2's? 2 to the power 9 is your answer. Next one 3, 4, 3. So first this is an odd number. So I am going to use 3 table. First let us check. So if I am using 3 table means 1 3's are 3. Again 1 3's are 3. 1 will come. 13 will not come in 3 table. So we can't use 3 table. Again the last digit is 3. So we can't use 5 table also. Shall we try 7 table? So 7 table. How many times? 4 7's are 28. Okay. 4 7's are 28. Balance 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 6. So 63. How many times? 9. Okay. Again 49 will come in 7 table. 7 7's are 49. Okay. Again 7. One time. So I can write this 43 as 7 into 7 into 7. So how many 7's? 3, 7. So 7 power 3 is your answer. Sixth problem. Identify the greater number in each of the following. Okay, here they have given 3 options. I am going to do 1 option for each sum. That is 6th sum, 7th sum and 8th sum. I am going to do the second option. So 6th sum, the question is identify the greater number in each of the following. Here we have to find out the greater number. Which is the greater number we have to find. For that we should know the value for 5 power 3 and 3 power 5. So 5 power 3 is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. This is equal to 5 5's are 25, 25 5's are 125. Okay, 3 power 5. 3 power 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so 3 3's are 9, 9 3's are 27. So 27 into 9. 9 7's are 63. 9 2's are 18, 19, 20, 24, 243. 9 7's are 63, 3, 6, 9 2's are 18, 24, correct. Okay, so 243. So which one is greater? Obviously 3 power 5 is greater. So we can write 3 power 5 is greater. We can use this symbol. So 7th sum, simplify the following. That's all. We have to simplify the given exponent numbers. So now 3 power 2 is nothing but 3 into 3, right? Into 2 power 4 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 3 3's are 9 into 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16. Okay, now we have to multiply 16 and 9. 6 9's are 54, 9 ones are 9, 10, 14. So the answer is 144. So 8th problem, find the value of the following. We have to find out the value for the given number. So minus 3 into minus 2 power 3. Okay, minus 2 power 3 is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Am I correct? So now minus 3 into here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus into minus plus, plus into minus again minus. Okay, so now I have 3 8s are 24, minus into minus plus. So plus 24 is your answer for 8th problem, second option. 9th problem, the question is simplify using laws of exponents. Already we learned some of the laws. Okay, if the exponential numbers have same base and different powers, we have some laws, and also if the exponents have different base and same power, also we have two different laws, right? So using that laws, we have to simplify the given options. They have totally, in 9th problem, they have given 10 options. I am going to work out only 4 options, 4 different sums we are going to do here. So the second option is a power 4 into a power 10. After seeing these two exponential numbers, we can say that these two base are same. Okay, and it has multiplication symbol. So we can use product rule. The product rule says that a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Product means addition. Okay, so here I'm going to do the same thing here. A power 4 into a power 10 is nothing but a power, we have to add the powers. So 4 plus 10. So 4 plus 10 is 14. We can write the answer here itself. A power 14 is your answer. So next, fourth sum, 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 3. Here also the base are same. Okay, we know the rule that a power m divided by a power n, I'm so sorry, is equal to a power m minus n. Okay, here also we have 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 3, which is equal to 2 power 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 power 2 is our answer. 7th option, x power m to the power 0. So which is nothing but, here also we can use power rule. So power rule says that a power m to the power n is equal to a power m into n. Right? So x power m to the power 0 is equal to x power m into 0, which is equal to x power 0. Already I told you, anything to the power 0 is 1. So the answer is 1 here. 9th option, 3 power y into 12 power y. Here the powers are same. So we can use a power m into b power m is equal to a into b power m. Okay, this rule, using this rule, I am going to solve this. So 3 power y into 12 power y is equal to 3 into 12 power y. 3 12s are 36. So 36 power y is your answer. Problem. If a is equal to 3 and b equal to 2, then find the value of the following. Okay, here a value is given, b value is given. We have to find out the value for the given expression. So I am going to do second and fourth option here. Second option, a power a minus b power b. First we have to substitute the values for a and b. A value is 3. So 3 power 3 minus 2 power 2. Okay, what is 3 power 3? 3 into 3 into 3. What is 2 power 2? 2 into 2. So we have to find out the value for each exponential number. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 2 2s are 4. So 27 minus 4 is equal to 23. So this is your answer. Okay. Next, fourth option, a minus b the whole power a. A value is 3 minus b value is 2. Again to the power a means 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 power 3 is again 1. So that is your answer. 11th problem. simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. We have to simplify this and we have to express this given terms in exponential form. So first they have given 3 power 2 into 3 power 3 to the power 7. First inside the bracket we have 3 power 2 into 3 power 3. So same base, okay, same base and multiplication symbol we can use product rule. So I can write 3 power 2 plus 3 the whole power 7. Here I can use since, okay, this is since symbol, since we can write the product rule. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Using this rule, I have written this 3 power 2 into 3 power 3 as 3 power 2 plus 3. So 3 power 2 plus 3 is 5 to the power 7. So here also we can use the next rule, that is power rule, as a power m to the power n is equal to a power m into n. So I am going to use this rule here and I can write 3 power 5 into 7. Okay. So 3 power 5 7s are 35. So 3 power 35 is my answer. Okay. So the fifth option, we have 4 power 5 into a power 8 into b power 3. 4 power 3 into a power 5 into b power 2. Here we can, after seeing this expression, we can say that these two numbers are same. These two numbers, the exponents have same base. These two have same base and these two have same base. So I am going to split it up. Okay, 4 power 5 divided by 4 power 3 into a power 8 divided by a power 5 into b power 3 divided by b power 2. Okay, so I am going to write this using quotient rule. What is our quotient rule? A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So using this rule, I am going to write 4 power 5 minus 3 into a power 8 minus 5 into b power 3 minus 2. Okay, shall we solve it now? 4 power 5 minus 3 is 2 into a power 8 minus 5 is 3 into a power 3 into b power 3 minus 2 is 1, b power 1. So this is your answer. Objective type question, 12th one, a into a into a into a into a is equal to. Okay, so this form we have to convert it to exponential form. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 a's are there. So a to the power 5. Okay, that is your answer. Okay, we all know how to write this expanded form in exponential form, right? So next one, the exponential form of 72 is. So we have to find out 72. Since 72 is an even number, 2 table, 3 2s are 6, 6. 2 table, 1 2s are 2, balance 1, so 16, 8 2s are 16. So 2, okay, how many times? 9 2s are 18. Again 9 is an odd number, so we can't use 2 tables, so I can try 3 table. So 3 times, so 3 1 time. So we can write this as, how many 2s are there? 2 power 3 and 3 power 2. So our answer is 2 power 3 into 3 power 2. Fourth option. Okay, last one. The value of x in the equation a power 13 is equal to x power 3 into a power 10. Right? So here the answer is, that is here the power is 13. They have added these two powers. So 10 plus 3 is 13. We know the product rule. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here they have added these two numbers. So 3 plus 10 is 13. So obviously the base should be same. Then only this rule satisfies. That's why the value for x is a here. So clear? 15th one. How many zeros are there in 100 power 10? So 100 power 10 is nothing but, so 10 times. So 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times I have written 100. So how many zeros? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So 20 zeros we have, right? So next, 2 power 40 plus 2 power 40 is equal to. So after seeing this problem, we'll blindly write the 2 power 80. We learnt one rule that 2 power, that is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. We have to add the powers. If the base are same, we have to add the powers we will be having in mind. But here, you should be careful that the symbol is plus. So there is no rule for plus. Am I correct? So 2 power 40 plus 2 power 40 is 2 power 41. That is the correct answer. So you should be careful while doing objective type questions. They sometimes they may confuse us. Okay, they'll be giving us a tricky problem like this. Okay, we have a rule only for multiplication, that is product rule, quotient rule and power rule. But here it is given in plus. Okay, so we should be careful while doing objective type questions. In this video, I explained you exercise 3.1, all the problems, but some of the options only I have done, and remaining problems you have to do it on your own. That is for your practice. Okay, so try all the problems and revise everything. All the best. If you like my video, please click like button, and if you didn't subscribe my channel till now means please do subscribe my channel for more videos. Also share it with your friends. Thank you.